this video, I'll show you how to blur your background during a Slack huddle. Perfect for maintaining privacy and minimizing distractions during virtual meetings. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or browser and signing in using your email, Google or Apple account. Next, locate the Huddle button in the left-hand sidebar and click New Huddle. Select the person or group you want to include, then click Start a Huddle. A small pop-up will appear near your photo in the bottom left corner. This is where all your Huddle controls are located. Click the three dots in the pop-up to open Advanced Settings. Then navigate to Video Background. Here select Blur. Your background will now be blurred, keeping the focus on you and creating a more professional, distraction-free meeting environment. That's it. Enjoy your next Slack huddle with a clean, private background. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Slack tips.